Hello everyone, my name is Katie Hesting. I'm just going to do my introduction video here and tell you a little bit about myself to begin with. As I said, my name is Katie. You may see my name as Caitlin on some of our discussion posts and things like that, but I usually go by Katie. If you call me Caitlin, not a big deal. I am currently teaching 6th grade at an elementary school in Manhattan, Kansas, where I live. We departmentalize between 3 teachers here at Bergen Elementary. I am mostly teaching ELA to all of the 6th graders, and then I teach math to my own students. I just finished up my 3rd year teaching, still really enjoying it. In the fall, I am a volleyball coach, and then since I'm taking this class, I'm currently a Fort Hays State University graduate student working towards my degree in instructional technology. Next question talked about a critical reflection of your administrator and how they feel, or how I feel that they know the laws and district policies. Here at my elementary school, we are currently in transition of a new administrator, so I'm very curious to see a difference between the new administrator and the old administrator. Unfortunately, our old administrator, I feel like, was very inconsistent in knowing and communicating laws and policies. One day I would be allowed to be in a student's locker, but the next day I would not be allowed to. So it's just, I'm very confused on what exactly the laws are and what they are not, as well as the board policies, just because of the inconsistency that I have experienced. As far as that same topic with our assistant principal, again, very inconsistent. We have a quick turnover of assistant principals in our district because there's almost a new opening for principal every year that those assistant principals get in. So at this point, I'm just looking for some consistency there. So it's truly difficult to know and understand the laws and the policies for our district just because of the inconsistency that I've experienced. For a self-critique and the things that I know, I have very limited knowledge on this topic. I had my undergraduate at Kansas State University, and I feel like they did not fully prepare me for laws and policies as far as the legal side of things. So I'm very intrigued by this class, ready to learn a lot of things. So my plan to fully understand these things is just to read and research the course material very closely, just be very open-minded. I'm not entirely sure what to expect here, but then to just take as much information as I can from peers and my new administrator and instructors as I work through this course. I'm really looking forward to working with all of you, and good luck.